My name is Kira Vidal, and I am a children's book illustrator. Today I'm going to be drawing the character Elliott the Robot from the book The Robot and the Dinosaur, written by Justin Judkins for the Stories of M.E. So join me as I draw Elliott and see if you can follow along. So this is Elliott the Robot, and I will have him on the bottom of the screen so you can see what he looks like throughout the video. We'll start with a blank sheet of paper and a black marker. And start with a square shape for his head. Easy enough, right? Now we'll add the shape of his body, which is a little bigger than his head and kind of goes down in at the bottom like a trapezoid almost. We'll add his legs to the bottom, his long robot legs, and then his feet, which are also that same kind of trapezoid shape. To give his feet a little bit of dimension, we'll make it a little 3D by adding some lines. Next are his arms. We'll have this one going down and the other one giving a friendly wave. Then his hands, which are square shapes at the end of his arms. His fingers and thumbs are just long rectangles that point out from his hands. And we'll do the same to the other hand. And Elliott's got 3 fingers and a thumb. His neck is a cylinder shape that attaches to his body. And again, we'll do a 3D shape to make his body pop out a little bit more. His antenna, a big circle attached with a line, and his ears, which are more trapezoids sticking out of the side of his face. Speaking of face, 2 big round eyes and a little smile, and his pupils, a nice robot square. Now, some finer details is giving him little curved lines on his arms, neck, and legs to show that they're kind of round. And you'll follow the curves of his arms. Do the same thing to his legs. And as for the final detail, Elliott's got some buttons. He's got 4 rows of 4 buttons. So we'll add those in. And that is a complete Elliott the Robot. How'd you do? And there you have it. I hope you had fun, and I hope you join me next time. Let me know if you followed along. Bye!